That's just our tri-colored coleslaw. Those are my individual pork loins. Coming in with some of our baby carrots. I'm just gonna spread these little guys out. Now I got some tomatoes fresh off the vine, literally. And I am just spreading some of these out on here. Yummy, yummy. I've got a little bit of chopped celery here. Perfect. Just doing the same with these. I'm just gonna spread them out. Y'all, look how healthy, beautiful. We are eating the rainbow today. And finally, I'm gonna add in some Brussels sprouts. Some of them are little shavings, some of them are actual sprouts. These look so beautiful. Look at our rainbow is complete. And I'm gonna throw in some cloves of garlic, fresh. They were peeled, I bought them that way. Of course, peel your own. I know we get a lot of comments that everything in America comes in a package, but tell me if you are growing your own garlic, your own tomatoes, celery, Brussels sprouts in your backyard, because I wanna move to wherever you're living. We live in the desert, so not a lot kind of grows and flourishes here. We gotta import stuff. All right, I've just got some olive oil. I'm gonna give a good drizzle to my entire pan here. These veggies are pork loins. Now I went to Buc-ee's for the first time over the summer, and I am gonna add this Buc-ee's brisket rub right on top of all of my little porky loins here. Sorry in advance, Porky Pig, but you are delicious, and sometimes that's just the way it goes. Talk about eating off the land. I mean, if you've got your own pork that you're raising and you're slaughtering them yourself, I applaud you. It's not something I personally could do, but I do still like to eat animals. I just can't do the other parts myself. All right, just on the veggies, a little bit of this butter dust from Dano's. Thank you, Dano. We love trying your stuff. Alrighty, y'all, I got my low sodium beef broth here. Marty said I needed to add some broth, so this would all steam up. This was his recipe he wanted me to try. We'll see if he asks me to try another recipe in the future. Alrighty, I'm gonna cover this up with some foil. We just want this whole thing to steam. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna actually cook this low and slow in my oven at 275 for 3 hours. Alrighty, y'all, our beautiful pork dinner is ready. Look how gorgeous this looks. Now, we did cook this super low and slow at 275, and so in our oven, and it did take a little longer than we had expected, so 4 to 5 hours instead of the 3 that we originally, but look at that. It's just so tender. It's just shredding right up. Looks absolutely delicious. All these vegetables, beautiful seasoning. Guys, this might be the best thing I've ever made. Look at that. I'm gonna get some pork on here. I'm gonna get my veggies on here. We've got those carrots, celery, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts. Marty said we could have used 2 bags of coleslaw because it reduced down so much. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get myself a taste of this. The dogs are barking because they know it is dinner time. Ooh, that's delicious. That's really good. Y'all, this is so good. You definitely gotta try it.